Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Skrill account that you can use to send and receive money internationally and also use in transacting when it comes to your online business. So to get started, the first thing I want you to do now is to head over to the description of the video. I'm going to add a link to Skrill at the description of the video, so just head over there, click the link, and when you click on the link, it's going to bring up a page like this. And what you want to do here is come over here, then click on register. So when you click on register, it's going to prompt you to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and your password. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enter my first name, last name, and necessary other details in order for us to be able to proceed. So I've just entered my details, and the next thing I have to do now is to verify my email address. So a verification link has been sent to my email. So what I have to do now is to head over to my email, click the link, and verify my email address. Alright, so this is my email address and this is Skrill. So I'm going to click on confirm registration. Then here, click on confirm email. So as you can see, my email address has been verified. So the next thing I have to do now is click on login to log into my Skrill account. So as you can see, I've just easily created a Skrill account, and as you can see from the screen, I can now use my Skrill account to pay online. I can use it to buy and sell crypto, and I can also use it to send money internationally. So the next thing I have to do now is to verify my Skrill account with my ID in order to avoid any sort of limitation. So to verify your account using your ID, all you simply need to do is click any of the three. So depending on what you want to use your Skrill account to do, if you want to use it to make payments online, or if you want to use it to buy and sell cryptocurrency, or if you just want to use it to send money internationally. So depending on what you want to do, just click on any of the three. So in order for you to complete your registration, so let's click on send money. So when you click on send money, it's going to show you the process of what is going to take you to get started on the platform. So what you want to do now is click on get started. So when you click on get started, it's going to bring out your address form. So here, what you want to do now is enter your address here. Okay, so enter your city, enter your postal code, your date of birth, source of wealth, primary intent of use, your phone number. Now this phone number, they're going to send an OTP to this phone number, so make sure the phone number is correct so you can easily enter the OTP in order to verify your account completely. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enter my address and every other details in order for us to proceed. So I've just created my address info. So the next thing I have to do now is to create a 6-digit PIN so we can proceed to the next step. So here I'm going to enter my 6-digit PIN so we can proceed. So after that, I'm going to click on save. So I've created my 6-digit PIN and I've received an email from Skrill saying my account has been fully created. So if you want to send money here, all you simply need to do here is enter the email address of the person you want to send the Skrill funds to. But here, this is just an example to show you how it's done. So basically what you want to do is what I've just shown you in this video. So once you've created it, your account has been created, and you can now use your Skrill account to send money to wherever it is you want to send money to, and also use it to receive money from whatever platform you want to receive money from online. And you can also use it to buy and sell cryptocurrency. So additionally, you can also come over here, click on your name here. When you click on it, what you want to do here is click on the settings. So when you click on the settings, you're going to see this option here. So we have a verification and features, personal details, account settings, subscription, connected apps, and the like. So what you want to do is you want to click on verification and features. So when you click on verification, you're going to see account verification here. It says verify your identity to increase your limits. So what you want to do here is you want to click on verify. So when you click on verify, it's going to prompt you to make a deposit to the platform. So what you want to do here is you want to come over here, then click on go to deposit. So after that, what you want to do is enter the amount of money you want to deposit. So for example, you want to deposit like $5. So all you simply need to do is enter 5. Then after that, what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then click on select payment method. So when you click on select payment method, it's going to prompt you to save your card on the platform. So what you want to do here is you want to click on this toggle button here. So what you want to do is you want to enter your card details. So when you enter your card details, your card will be saved to the platform, and from here all you simply need to do is just follow the prompt and you're good to go. So once you've done that, your account is verified and you'll be able to send and receive money easily on the platform. So this is basically how you can easily create your Skrill account. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.